So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about top 2 stocks that we can buy right now and which may give some very good returns for long term. So I can say that these stocks are going to be the next generation stocks which may adapt to the future technology and may give some multi-bagger returns. So what are those stocks? I'll try to discuss the names and also I'll discuss the complete fundamentals followed by what would be the best entry in these two companies. So before that, in the morning itself in the Telegram group, have told that I'll be starting live sessions so that I can have one-to-one interaction and you can also ask your questions related to any stock, whether it may be technicals followed by fundamentals. So I can answer in the live itself, because in Instagram there are so many messages coming at a time. So it is not becoming easy for me to answer each and every question. So I told in the Telegram only, so 95% people have suggested that they want the live sessions. So I'll start the live sessions in second channel of Stocks Diary Education. So if you have not yet subscribed to that particular channel, do subscribe it, because all the live sessions I'll try to complete in that particular channel, because again it should not have a mix up with our primary channel Stocks Diary. And if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so do subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so the first stock that we're going to discuss today is Sterlite Technologies. So I think many people are familiar about the name, but it is completely right now in undervalued region. So why? Because if we start the discussion about the company, you can see it is the one of the largest manufacturer of optical fiber cables in our country. So we know since last few years this company is performing both fundamentally and financially. It has improved very well, and the same way you can see it has replicated a very good movement on technical charts. So if you see from the lows how it has recovered, and currently you can see it is also going very well. Even if the market is in good upside trend, the stock currently it is in a very good region of support region. So what is that particular level? So that I'll discuss. So coming to the business, so currently we know whatever the 5G term we are hearing in the market, so one of the company which will be benefited by that particular technology is going to be Sterlite Tech. Okay, and if we see the geographical presence, it has in various countries like USA, Mexico, Brazil, and major percentage comes we can say not only from India but from overseas also. You can say Europe, which we get around 27% combined with Africa, and after that America we get around 3%, China 2%, and rest of the world you can see 3% of the revenue is generated. And you can see market position also you can see is around 45%, and you can see the company is the only full backed up integrated player in India with capability to manufacture glass, performs form silica, and same provides cost competitiveness and increases operating margins. So we can say completely it is a solely company which is involved in this particular business, and it is diversifying in various regions. So that is very important. Diversification is important. Okay, so moving further towards what is the product portfolio. So if you see what is the product portfolio, you can see virtualized access products followed by programmable FTTX, virtualized RAN. That RAN implies radio access network. So already I discussed about these terms. So after that you can see network solution products and followed by system integrated services. So all these are the basic product portfolios that Sterlite Tech offers. So we know earlier also various news have come whenever 5G technology is going to developed by Jio. So one of the company to partnership would be what is that? Sterlite Technologies. So that time also I've discussed. So after that stock has also performed very well. So again I'm trying to suggest it in future also it may give some very good returns. So try to keep this particular stock in radar. And now let's see other financial terms and we'll go to charts. Okay, so another important thing I forgot to tell related to research and development, that is R&D. You can see it has already 4 innovation centers, and you can see 450 plus patents are present for software services and access solutions, and you can see 7 manufacturing facilities are already present. Okay, so if you see market cap of the company, it is around 10,755 crore, and you can see current price is around 271 rupees. 52-week high and low is around 280 and low is around 98.2 rupees. Stock P is around 39, book value is around 50.1, dividend yield is also provided, which is around 1.29%, and return on capital employed is 12.8%, and return on equity, which is around 14.1%. So everything is perfect. So if we move a little bit further and if we see what are the major pros, you can see company has improved the return on equity, and you can see that has also improved steadily, and company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout. So no major negatives. So that is very, very important. So we know that last week also have suggested you two stocks. One was Birlasoft. So that has also performed exceptionally very well. It has almost gone even above 400 rupees level. So the level which I discussed was around 340 rupees level. So when companies fundamentals are very good, definitely they also start going up, especially when business is present. Product portfolio, whatever we are discussing, when that has the future. So ultimately stock also gives multi-bagger returns. Okay, so next, if we move further towards financials of Sterlite Tech, you can see operating profit has increased very well. You can see if you compare the last quarter, you can see steadily the stock has improved its financials. Okay, so clearly you can see, okay, from September, December, March, steadily the stock has given a very good result, and profit before tax also has increased very well, especially the last two quarters. A very huge jump is present in profit before tax, especially because of the rise in the demand for optical fiber technology. So after that, net profit also seemed to be doubled, or not doubled, but trying to double in the next quarters also. It will sure, because already the company has got very good presence and various updates also I discussed in previous sessions. Okay, so keep this particular stock in radar, or you can add to watch list. If you're interested, definitely you can buy it. So what is the technicals? So now let's switch over to technical charts. Okay, so moving further towards technical charts, you can see currently the stock is near 271.10, and it has showed almost 1.16% positive movement. So when you see the technical chart clearly, you can see the stock is in a very good uptrend, and continuously it has given momentum, even though it has retraced a little bit in between, but it was temporary retracement, and again it has started, okay, going upside. So what is the best level you want to buy this? Especially you can focus the 260 rupees level or 266, where we have the pivot support. So if you're getting a chance, you can try to invest and you can accumulate basically. So don't have a confusion that it is correcting, I should sell. So that is not the idea. Even if it is correcting, you need to average at each and every dip. So then only you can, okay, expect some very good returns for long term. So if you have that mindset, definitely you can focus it. And money flow index is near 83, and apart from that, you can see the next immediate resistance is around 282. So if it crosses that particular level, definitely the stock will start its journey above 300 rupees level. So this is for, okay, midterm. In long term, definitely it may give some very good return. So keep this particular stock in radar. Okay, so now let's switch over to the second stock. Okay, so the second stock that we are going to discuss today is going to be Infibeam Avenues share. So first we'll discuss the basic fundamentals. After that, we'll go to the charts. Okay, so moving towards what actually Infibeam Avenues does. So you can clearly see that it is into software development services, and also it does the payment gateway services. Already we know we used to discuss about Infibeam Avenues share. So before the bonus issue, also have discussed the complete what are the fundamentals, and also have done the technical analysis. So recently also have done the separate video on Infibeam. So if you have not watched that, do watch it. So in that also we have discussed what are the future things that are going to happen between Jio as well as Infibeam Avenues share. So already the stock is in full momentum, so it may continue the rally. So what are those things also we'll try to discuss. So if we see the market cap, it is around 6,855 crore, and you can see current price, it is around 51.5 rupees, and high and low, you can see high is around 56.8 rupees and low is only around 24.6. Stock P is little high because it is in little overbought region. So book value is around 20, and dividend yield is around 0.10%. Okay, and ROC is around 2.38% and ROE is around 1.85%. So this company is doing very well in the payment gateway services. So these are going to be the technologies or okay, the companies which are going to be benefited in the future. So we need to adapt to the next generation rather than okay, searching for the stocks which may move right now, but again we don't have any surety that they will continue that particular rally. But these stocks, because future is dependent on 5G and future is also dependent on digital payment services. So when business is present in long term, so you need to search for stocks okay, which may give a rally and adapt to that particular technology. Okay, so moving towards what are the major pros and cons, you can see company has reduced the debt and company is almost debt free. So basically the stock earlier it has fallen because of some fake allegations which were spread on Infibeam. So after that, stock was completely in that particular range itself. So after bonus issue, again the stock after consolidating for a certain period of time, it has started gaining that particular momentum. And if we see what are the negatives the company is having, so basically book value, and after that we have promoter holding which is little less, which is around 31.91%. Okay, so moving towards the financials of the company, you can see little bit of okay, we can say it is consistent, but it is trading in that particular range itself. So if you see operating profit, so it has increased in the previous quarter, but last quarter you can see slightly we can see decrease in okay, operating profit. So profit before tax has steadily increased and net profit has also increased as compared to previous quarter. So now okay, in this last 2 quarters only the company has started picking up the pace, so it may take little time. So definitely you need to have patience of holding any stock for a certain period of time. So quickly let's go to technical charts and we'll see what are the levels. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts of Infibeam Avenues, and you can see this is the 1-day chart of Infibeam, and you can see it is taking the support very well near the 50-day exponential moving average. So roughly you can take that particular level as 50. Okay, so immediate resistance from where the stock has started retracing earlier was 54.90 rupees level. So that particular level is going to be very crucial. So I can say that the stock having uptrend just now has shown the initial retracement, and again it may start bouncing back from that 50 rupees region. So definitely you can keep this particular stock in radar and specially focus the 50 rupees region where we have the 50-day exponential moving average, and money flow index is around 87, so slightly in overbought region. So as I told, so if you can wait patiently, so I can suggest you 45 also would be better, but 50 is a very good region to start the fresh entry in Infibeam Avenues. So it might not come to 45, but chances are there that from that particular region only it may continue the uptrend. So these are the 2 stocks that I wanted to discuss. So further, if you're having any doubts related to any stock, you can mention in the comment section. So as I told, I'll be doing the live session, so I'll tell the date and time. So make sure you're subscribed to the second channel called Stocks Diary Education. So there you can ask all your questions, you can clarify each and everything in live session itself. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.